Hey everyone, we're going to do something a little bit different right now. I'm just going to talk about a few of these items. I'm just going to insert this kind of towards the end so that if you are used to my regular content and you just kind of want to have a glimpse of things, then you can. And if you want to hear a little bit about these items and kind of what I think about it, then you guys can keep watching. First off, I'd like to start off saying that I generally really like the Sanrio Loot Crates. I always look forward to them. In the last couple of months, I've been a little disappointed because they've been very delayed in their boxes. I'm not necessarily unhappy with the quality of things. It's just more so that it's really backed up as far as when it should be coming. And when I initially saw this one, I was pretty disappointed until this card came into my view, and I'm still a bit disappointed because they're probably about like a couple months backed on things already, and we're now still waiting for another item to be shipped. The good news is that it's coming. It's just unfortunate that we're having to wait so long. But anyways, let's move on and talk about a couple of things. This is my small little trinket that came. It's just a few stickers. They're pretty cute. Let's see. It says you could get Hello Kitty, little twin stars, My Melody, Pom Pom Pudding, or Cinnamon Roll. So evidently I got the Hello Kitty one. This is the plush that we got, and it's pretty cute. I'm not really certain how soft this is because I haven't opened it up. It's quite big for a keychain. It's very colorful and soft looking. She's pretty soft. I wouldn't say it's the softest once you get to the colored part, but she's pretty cute. And then we've got a few pins here. These are cute if you liked embroidered pins. I think that this pouch is really pretty. It's see-through. I initially had hoped that there would be a little bit more to this. There's a little bit of, like, I would say that if you have scratches and other things, it's probably going to show up pretty easy on this, but the design is very pretty. It feels very mermaid-like, and the seashell is a nice added touch. I will say I did prefer the shirt that came in the last box over this one. This is a tank top, and it is absolutely huge. Like, I have the size small, and this looks like it's this is my arm right here. I've got my hand at the top, and the bottom is cutting off like this much down my arm. Like, it's pretty long. It looks like the size small could probably fit as, like, I don't know, maybe like a large or maybe even an extra large. It's quite big. This is the sarong that is supposed to be coming, so when they do get around to sending it, I will definitely try to put a video up with it to show all of you what it looks like once it finally gets here. I think all in all, like, it's a nice crate and set. I would say I feel a bit more disappointed about it this time around in comparison to other ones that I've gotten and other ones that I've seen, but I wouldn't say that it would be anything to deter me from getting ones in the future. And it could also be that I'm not seeing it as a whole yet, so I might feel better about it once the last item comes. Look! My nails match this shirt. Ta-da! My wristband. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing anymore.